Hey guys, this is Van Epson again in a new video, and in this video I'm gonna review Prime Mail, this amazing cloud-based software which offers an SMTP for free. It's not a free, it will cost you I think 17 bucks, but this this is a one-time live fee. Okay, so let's explain what is Prime Mail, and then we will jump into the demo to see how this software works. Okay, so firstly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate that bell icon below to receive any new video, any new future video. Okay, first of all, i'm gonna see I'm gonna explain what is Prime Mail. Prime Mail comes with many upgrades. The front end is the basic option and it costs 17 bucks. What you will get, no monthly fees, no limits. So you pay just one time, 17 bucks, and you benefit of the offer for the rest of your life, okay? You will get a built-in SMTP, which will send your emails. You will be able to send unlimited emails, campaigns, unlimited subscribers, and unlimited lists, unlimited list import, and unlimited email sending, which is really awesome. And for the second package, or the first upgrade, which is Auto 1 Prime Mail Pro, you will pay, I think, 27 bucks or 37 bucks, or between the two numbers. What you will get? You will get an email automation, which is not included in the first package, and the Auto 2, which is the second upgrade, it will cost 37 bucks or between 37 to 47 bucks. Prime Mail Max, which called Prime Mail Max, dedicated IP for your email delivery. You will benefit of a dedicated IP for your email delivery. And the Auto 3, the third upgrade, which called Prime Mail Link Optimizer, it will offer you link rotation, link statistics, link groups, link custom pages, link, which is a tracking system for your affiliate links or your products links, or I don't know. And for the fourth upgrade, which called Prime Mail Agency, which costs between 97 to 197 bucks, you will be able to create unlimited accounts for users from your own dashboard and manage users, add or delete them. So you will transfer your dashboard into an agency if you have a team of multiple users. So guys, we have seen all the upgrades, and now we will jump into the demo of this amazing software. This is the demo. You will be logged in after entering your email and password after you purchase the Prime Mail software. Then this is the dashboard, which contains your recent activities, and this is the lists management area, where you can add lists and manage them. And you can also import lists from CSV file. Your activities are unlimited, so you don't have limitations. Now let's jump to the campaigns area, where you can create your own campaigns to send emails. So this is it. You set up your email. You choose the template. It's basically like any other online mailer. You can customize your own email right here and finalize and schedule your email. Then click on send the campaign. So that's it, guys. This is the Prime Mail cloud-based software. And if you really love this software, you can get it from the link included in the description below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video will have been really helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate that bell icon to receive a notification when a new videos have been uploaded. Bye bye.